Hi, today we introduce you our plywood material which we have in stock in 3 available sizes. It's 3/4, half inch and 1/4 inch. We have a light white laminated plywood on both sides. It's a great product for the kitchen cabinets which you like to use in the cabinet boxes. So it's going to be nice, clean, finished on the inside of the cabinets. As you can see over here, we have 11 plies in our plywood. It's all made out of the poplar core, which is very durable, stable. You can cut it, you can put the screws in it. It's not opening like another imported materials you have in the United States for sale right now. So this is amazing product to use on the kitchen cabinets. As you can see, we have both sides finished. It's nice white laminated paper. Also, we have our birch material in stock. I'm showing you the sample, how it looks. It's already pre-finished. It's 1/4 inch thickness. There is no knots on the surface. There is no patches on the surface. It's finished on the one side as a 1/4 inch, but we have the pre-finished both sides at the 3/4 and half inch also available. Also, the core is a poplar, so which makes it very durable and stable during the cutting and processing all these materials as you use as a cabinet maker. We do deliver our products in New York, New Jersey area, mostly we're located in Consulting in New Jersey. We do deliver our deliveries in 2-3 days with our own trucks. We are very competitive on the market because we are the first hand who is importing the goods materials. So depending on the quantity, we can deliver out of states also. We'll be reasonable on the pricing. We'll try to make the best price available for you.